Okay, we want to show if the following pairs of triangles are congruent by side, angle, side, or side, 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 or neither. They should really give you the option of neither because some of these are going to be neither. Okay, if we look at the first one here, here's one pair of sides that's congruent. We'll do these in different colors, I guess. So there's one side. Here's the second pair. And then here is a third pair. So this one is obviously going to be, we have three pairs of sides that are congruent. Therefore, the triangles are congruent by side, side, side congruence. Okay, over here, here's one pair of sides. Okay, and then we have a second pair of sides here. And then we have one pair of angles. Okay, the one thing, so we have two pair of sides and one pair of angles. So the thing we want to make sure of is that the angle, the pair of angles, is between the two pair of sides that are congruent. And they are. The angle here is between, it's the included angle. It's between our two sides. This angle is between these two sides that are congruent. So we're going to do side, angle, side. Okay, this one here, here's one pair of sides that's congruent. Okay, we'll switch color and do a second pair here. So two pair of sides are congruent. And then if we look at our angles, we have one pair of angles that are congruent. Okay. And so since we have two pair of sides that are congruent and one pair of angles, we need to check and make sure that our pair of angles is between the two pair of sides. And it's not. It's not the included angle. It's not the angle that's between them. The included angle would be these two angles here, right? If we knew that those two angles were congruent, those are the included angles. They're the ones between our two pairs of sides. Then we would know that these triangles were congruent. Since it's not the included angle, we can say we don't know, unknown. I don't know, IDK. They could be congruent. They might not be, we don't know. Okay, but you would want the included angle since this one's not the one between the two pair of sides. That's going to be we don't know. Okay, over here, here's one pair of sides. Right, here's a second pair of sides. Right, two hash marks. And then we have one pair of angles here. So again, our question is the pair of angles the included angle? Is it the angle between the two sides that are congruent? And again, yes, it is. It is this time. So we have side, angle, side. Congruence would tell us those two triangles are congruent. Again, the included angle, right, if we have a segment and a segment, the included angle is the angle that is formed when those two segments intersect. So if we had something like this, that's the included angle. If we have something like this, right, that angle is not included. So this is the included angle. Right, for side angle side to work, the angle that's congruent, a pair of angles needs to be the included angles. So they need to be between the two sides that are congruent. And as we can see over here, this is not in between the two sides. So it's not included. So if you have something like this, it's not going to count for side angle side. Something like this would count for side angle side. Okay, and that's the last example for 4-3.